In this video, I'm going to go over 3 sections you can consider adding to your Shopify store that may help increase your store's sales and improve your overall conversion rate. These aren't guaranteed fixes, but they're simple strategies many store owners use to better connect with their visitors and create a more conversion-friendly shopping experience. If you're still in the test run phase with Shopify and you're deciding between which plan to choose, I do have a way that you guys can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1. I'll link that Shopify sign up link in my description box for if you'd like to spend those 3 months setting up your shop without having to commit just yet to a long-term plan. Starting with the first section to consider adding to your store, and that is an email sign-up section. Adding an email sign-up section is one of the most foundational ways to build a long-term connection with your site visitors. Over time, this can help build trust, familiarity, and potentially lead to a purchase in the future. Collecting emails allows you to bring shoppers back to your store through email marketing and gives you a direct line to communicate with people who've shown interest in your brand. To add an email sign-up section to your Shopify store, the first step is to head into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, click on the Online Store tab on the left-hand side and then select Themes. You'll see your current live theme at the top of the page. Click the Customize button next to that theme to open the Shopify theme editor. Once you're in the theme editor, you're going to want to choose where you want to place the email sign-up section. A common location is on the home page, often toward the bottom of the page, although some stores also place it in the middle of the home page or directly below featured products. Use the top drop-down in the editor to navigate to the home page if you're not already there. Next, on the left-hand panel inside the theme editor, you'll see a list of sections that are currently on your home page. Scroll down to the bottom of that list and click on the option that says Add Section. This will open a panel with all the available section types supported by your theme. From here, look for a section labeled something like Email Sign Up. Select that section to add it to the page. Once it's added, you'll be able to customize the content of the email sign-up section. You can typically change the heading text, the subheading or description, and any accompanying image or background if the theme supports it. For the heading, consider using a simple message like "Stay in the loop" or "Subscribe for updates." The goal is to be clear and welcoming rather than overly promotional. For the description, you might want to explain what subscribers can expect to receive, such as updates on new arrivals, exclusive deals, or helpful tips related to your products. Make sure to keep the form itself minimal. Usually, asking for just an email address is more effective than requiring someone to fill out a full name or other details, since the goal is to make signing up as quick and easy as possible. If your theme gives you the option to choose how many fields appear in the form, stick with the simplest version to reduce friction. Once you've entered your content, review how the section looks on both desktop and mobile views using the theme editor preview toggles. Mobile responsiveness is especially important because a large portion of your visitors are likely browsing from their phones. If the email sign-up box feels too cluttered or hard to read on mobile, consider reducing the text or adjusting spacing within the section's settings. After everything looks the way you want, don't forget to hit Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. At that point, the section will go live on your store and will be visible to visitors. Another huge part of most Shopify sellers' website journey is building and creating their websites, specifically choosing a theme that fits their brand style and their niche. This website you see here is one of my Shopify theme templates. I offer a wide variety of pre-designed and laid out Shopify themes made specifically for different types of businesses, so you can build a beautiful, high-converting online store without the hassle of starting from scratch. Whether you're in beauty, skincare, makeup, clothing, dropshipping, or even coaching, I have themes for varieties of different niches, with layouts optimized to showcase your products and services beautifully and professionally. Each theme comes as a zip file, which you can easily upload right into your Shopify account. Just head to your themes page, click Add Theme, and upload the file. Once it's installed, you can publish it and start customizing it with your products, branding, and content. Every theme bundle includes a step-by-step installation guide with screenshots to walk you through the process from start to finish. If you're ready to save hours of design time and finally have a Shopify store that looks great and complements your products, you can grab one of my Shopify themes from my website, which I'll link in the description box. Now moving on to the second section to consider adding to your Shopify store, and that is the announcement bar. The main benefit of an announcement bar is that it can be used to highlight messages that may influence purchasing decisions, such as a free shipping offer, a limited time discount, a restock update, or even a store-wide announcement like processing delays or holiday shipping deadlines. To add an announcement bar to your Shopify store, the first step is to go back into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then click Themes, just like you would when editing the homepage. Next to your current theme, click the Customize button to open the theme editor. Once the theme editor is open, take a look at the very top of your website preview. Many Shopify themes include a built-in announcement bar feature that you can enable and customize directly from the theme settings. To check if your theme supports it, click on the Theme Settings option. Inside the theme settings, look for an option labeled something like Announcement Bar or Header. Click into that section. If announcement bar support is included, you'll see the option to enable it and add your custom text. Once enabled, you'll be able to type in the message you want displayed. This could be something like free shipping on orders over $50, or new arrivals just dropped, shop now. You can keep it informational, like orders ship in 1 to 3 business days, or use it for urgency-based messages, such as flash sale ends tonight at midnight. Some themes also allow you to link the text to a specific product, collection, or page by entering a link destination right below the message box. This is helpful if you want to drive traffic directly to a promotion or featured item. Adding an announcement bar is a small change that doesn't take long to implement, but it can provide consistent visibility for store-wide messages that might otherwise go unnoticed. Whether you're promoting an ongoing deal, giving customers a quick update, or simply showcasing a key benefit of your brand, the announcement bar can be a useful tool to keep your store communication clear and concise. Now moving on to the third section to consider, and that's adding your main menu links to the footer bar of your Shopify store. The footer bar is located at the bottom of your site and appears on every page, just like the header. It's often overlooked, but it's a valuable space to include useful navigation links for visitors who have scrolled to the end of a page. Including your homepage, catalog, or shop, and contact links in the footer makes it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for without having to scroll all the way back to the top. To add your menu links to the footer bar, head back into the Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then Navigation. This is where you manage all your menus for the store, including the main menu, footer menu, and any other custom menus you've created. Click on the menu labeled Footer Menu. If you don't see one yet, you can create a new menu or simply connect your pre-existing main menu. Inside the settings for the footer section, you should see an option to assign a menu. Choose the main menu or footer menu from the drop-down list. After assigning the menu, those links should now appear in the footer area of your website. Once everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner to publish the changes. Adding menu links to the footer gives your visitors additional access points to important parts of your store and can help reduce friction in the browsing experience. It's also helpful for customer support, since people can quickly find your contact or policy pages when they need them. While small, this detail adds to the overall professionalism and usability of your store.